brush, you see that you're using the other end to draw this really fine line. So I'm going to leave this one super cute there, but I'm going to apply just a little bit of condensed glue gels. I am going to apply on this side right here. I'm going to do just right here. And then no wipe top coat. Or if you want shiny on that one, if you want a matte on this size and you're doing a matte, you can do matte. Let's do a matte half and half, or you can do shiny completely. No wipe top coat. And we are going to float it on the top of Unclear condensed glue gels. So try not to apply too much. If you too much, then your crystal might like sliding and shift it off. Floating on the top. I'm going to use my super cute heart right there. And I'll continue. It has some green on it, so I'm gonna probably using some green colors. And also some pink. This one, I start from the edges of the nails. You do not have to do it right on the center. You can create it so many different ways. This one right there. And I'm using the beads and then the frame for this look. So a lot of questions to ask. How do you start? You just need to do it really simple. Get the centerpiece first. I want to say hello to everyone. Okay. No. I don't need it. Add the beads on. And our beads is like really, it's a solid metal beads, so then it's really nice to stay on. It lasts quite a few weeks until your nails is ready to replace. And then I'm going to add beads on it. You do not have to do it all like once, and if you are doing it for your nails, you can definitely do the beads on, or you can just leave the beads, not putting anything on. And then one more right there. Go right perfect into the nails. All right, if you're happy with this, we are going to cure for 60 seconds.